Guys, I'm done na makeup and outfit for the day. I'm waiting my daughter. Guys, welcome back. Today is we're going to the event that my son had, which is a ring event, the award of event, ring rights. So we're going to the Okada Hotel today, and I just wait my daughter. So I'm done my makeup. I just make my own. Yes, simple as lipstick and eyebrow, and that's all. Powder, and I wear my Filipiniana, which is the dress code. So I make my nails, and I will show you my uh, skirt too long. So I have my 5 inches too long, but it's required. So I just follow. From here, we're gonna travel, going to Okada Hotel, and it's uh, almost 45 minutes, I think. It's from here, Bacoor to Paranaque. So that is my yes. So that's for the day, and that is our beginning vlog for this event. And let's see further more later. I hope gonna be good, and uh, keep praying always that things and the event is always good and smooth. It's my first time, so help me, Lord. Amen. See you all later.
Maraming pasahero, di traffic sa Bugana. Dalawa, una na kayo. Pagkaraan ng 300 metro, kumaliwa sa Bianan Road.
Kaya punta kami dyan, punta kami dyan.
Ano to yung pinagawa niya. Tapos yun,
We're here, guys. Agoy!
ano nasabi?
We're here in Okada. Wow, it's nice. Look. Tara, punta tayo doon. Marunong ka. We're here in Okada. Doon ka. Sige. Doon ka. Punta ka doon.
Saan?
Ako din, picture mo.
What you gotta do is all.
Kaway ka, guys. Ganda nila. Ako din, guys.
Dito nga.
Mamaya. We're here.
Wala na sa ayos yung ano. Ganito yung kasi. Yan. Maayusin din lang kaya. May plancha ako dito. Tama. Dito nga. Ipitawan ko na yan. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
31? Sino kasama natin na?
Uwi na lang ito mamaya.
Sino yun na? Kasama mo?
Ikaw may kasama ko si Dito.
Ah. Ayan ako, cookies.
Oo, pwede yan. Pag nagkukuto dito. Pwede ko rin siya kung Buti yan may
Picture lang. Iba na. Ba't ganun? Ang layo.
Hindi, ang haba kasi ng pila na eh.
Picture kami dito sa photo book.
Maganda yun kung romantic.
So, ito na yung kailangan kada ceremony mo yan.
Ano yung gagraduate din? Hindi.
Ay, ceremony mo.
Ay,
Nanay ko,
congrats!
Congrats po. Congrats po.
Congrats, sir! Congrats, sir!
Hindi ang actor ko.
Ikot.
Oo, tingnan mo pa.
Yan?
Sir,